I'm Aishwarya Kapoor, and today I'm going to tell you about something very exciting. Are you looking for information related to research? Don't get lost on the internet. Visit India Science Technology and Innovation portal and navigate to research menu for various researchers in different fields, which includes basic sciences and all applied sciences. The portal caters to the requirements of students, researchers, scientists, organizations, and connects them to industries and decision makers. This section has 16 thematic areas that act as a central repository for scientific research activities and provide information on their intricate details. Looking for funding opportunities in science, research, education, startup? Log on to India Science Technology and Innovation portal and explore individuals, institutional and international research grants, startup grants and all the projects, schemes across the ministries with advanced search filter option. Are you an undergraduate or postgraduate student, PhD scholar, postdoctoral fellow, woman scholar, faculty or scientist who is searching for fellowships or scholarships? Your search is over. Visit India Science Technology and Innovation portal, which contains the details of funding opportunities, their brief description area, funding cycle, funding agency and the purpose of funding. These includes grants provided to individuals, institutions and the international level. Did you know that ICPS provides funding opportunities to institutions through its hub? To know more about such opportunities, visit ISTI portal that contains the information related to all science and line ministries along with their autonomous institutions, professional bodies, statutory bodies, laboratories and so on. The section also includes centers of excellence, thematic centers, centers of higher learning, national academies, state S&T organizations, industry-related associations, international organizations and civil societies in India with detailed information of each institution such as brief description of the institutions, their working domains, contact information, location and so on. Are you an entrepreneur and looking for entrepreneurship opportunities in India? ISTI portal is here that brings forth the information related to science entrepreneurship by providing the details of available funding opportunities and scientific activities performed by various startups and other entrepreneurial ventures along with the details of technology incubators, startup technologies with policies and guidelines, success stories, resources and FAQs related to startups. The repository is being continuously updated by collecting information from various funding agencies.